Whoa.
One look like it cut some places.
Hey, the one nice enough. Hey, girl, the one the spirit the one.
That's good, man.
So you have to get a little spirit in the morning.
See the bar now leak though.
The bar now leak, man. You have to get a little spirit in the morning, no?
That is good. Can't drink it so early though, no? So.
See, I'm wake up. I'm a tea.
Me always hear them call it mouthwash. And when they wake up first, they get them say mouthwash in name.
Mouthwash in name.
Yes.
Alright, that's a good name, that man.
Right.
Everything good otherwise?
Well, as I say, we are going to live. Yes, and it's good to be here again. Nice to see you once more.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. So it's a quiet one for you.
I'm there, man. You know, say I something I got to do and match up and pass back.
So just pass so quick, man.
You pass back, man. You know we have to pass back.
So what you put all the rum in your pocket?
How much more you now? No more.
That's why you say you go pass back. Go on and come back. When you come back, you pay me.
No, man. Go and come back and pay you. No, man.
Alright, you owe me $1,000 you owe me.
$1,000 more you?
Mm-hmm.
You want to pay for now?
Yes. So you're going to say no money in your passport, but you owe me.
That me I wonder what going on.
Also. So you really going to say, you ask me about how much you owe me. I search up so. 1,000 you owe me like how you're big and you're going like you have money.
You know, say, the money look like it last for 1 part. I don't see money, I don't see money.
Sorry, I just hold on for this a little bit then, like how. Like how you can't find any money. Hold on.
You hold on for that? Alright.
Can you say? Why am I doing? Where am I run go with my things? No, sir. No, this not gonna work out. Me have to catch this boy. Me have to catch him. Me have to catch him. Where run gone? This has been the goods. Boy run gone. Oh. Alright, me must catch him.